Totoo bang may kumikita sa GC Dropshipping, retailing at wholesaling? Tara, sama mo ko. Interviewin natin sila isa-isa.
Hi, I am Piwi Guasque. Dati akong host sa Walang Tulugan sa Channel 7. Ngayon dito sa negosyong ito, kumita ako ng 905,000.
Former government employee from Batangas and kumita na dito sa GC 1.3 million.
Isang call center agent, kumita ng 121,000 part-time.
Student from Cebu doing this business part-time, kumita na ng 738.
Grade 9 student from Quezon City, kumita na ng 29,000.
Admin assistant kumita ng 315,000 part-time.
Bank employee kumita ng 100,000 part-time.
Senior accounting assistant, kumita ng 156,000 part-time.
Government employee and law student kumita ng 451,000 part-time.
Event host and a professional singer at W Copa, kumita ng 599,000 part-time.
So, kung isang estudyante, OFW, o sakali mo may trabaho, perfect na perfect sa ito. So, all you have to do is message me.